If you're spending hours every week doing the same copy-paste tasks in Excel, it's time to stop. I used to manually clean reports, format sheets, and send emails based on data. It was mind-numbing. Then I discovered how to combine Excel with AI, and everything changed. With simple prompts in ChatGPT, I now create complex formulas without Googling. I use AI to generate VBA code that automates repetitive work, like formatting sheets or sending updates. And with tools like Power Query and Power Automate, I've built flows that clean data and even send automated reports. This is not about being a tech wizard. It's about working smarter, not harder. And if you're still doing boring Excel work manually, you're falling behind. So watch this video, and I'll show you exactly how to automate your workflow using tools that are 100% free or already on your computer. For example, let's say you have a small business and you send out regular email updates to your customers. Every week you compile data into an Excel sheet, format it, add some charts, and then send out the email. But wouldn't it be easier if Excel could do most of the work for you? Well, with AI and some simple steps, it can. First, we can use ChatGPT to generate a VBA code that updates our sheet automatically. Then we can set up a button that runs the macro whenever we need it. No more manual formatting. Here's another scenario. You have a large data set and you need to clean it before you can analyze it. You can write a formula in Excel to automatically remove spaces or special characters from each cell. Or you can use Power Query to load the data into Excel as a table and apply the same transformation to every single row and column. It's faster and it's easier. And finally, if you want to take your automation to the next level, you can use Power Automate to send reports to multiple people at the same time. All you need to do is connect Excel to Power Automate and then select the people you want to send to. The rest is on Excel. So if you're still struggling with repetitive tasks in Excel, it's time to learn how to use AI to do the work for you. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to be willing to learn and adapt. And the good news is, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. There are online courses, tutorials, and even books that can teach you how to use AI to improve your workflow. In today's fast-paced world, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and embrace new technologies. By learning how to use AI to automate your workflow, you'll be able to work more efficiently, make better decisions, and stay ahead of your competition. So don't fall behind. Take action today and learn how to use AI to improve your workflow.